Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I done this Christmas bauble look that I found on Pinterest. I'm going to put the photo like here. But yeah, I'm just going to show you how I done that. I have my bauble earrings in, my antlers. I'm ready for Christmas. But yeah, so if you want to see how I done this, keep watching. So I'm gonna do this eye first. So I started by using this Revolution Pro Full Coverage Concealer on my eye base, and I'm just kind of patting that in with a beauty blender. Using this colour, this green here, called Mmmmitchell, I'm gonna go in with this big fluffy brush and cover my eyelid. So I'm just gonna pack it all over my lid and just making sure I'm getting my entire lid covered, and then just start blending it out. Just to leave it. And then using this lighter green here called Sony, I'm gonna blend out the kind of outer edge. So I'm going in really lightly. And just diffusing the edge a little bit. And then going back in with the brush that had Miracle on it, I'm just gonna go in again. And then using this really dark green Mardy, I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and just cover my lid. I'm doing this because I didn't want it to be too dark, so going over top of another pigment means it won't pick up as much. And then going back in with the brush that had Miracle on it, I'm just going to blend that out. Just like that. So I've already done my primer, but I use this liquid glass primer by Revolution. So it gives your skin like a really nice glow, and you know, it just looks quite nice on. I'm wanting a full coverage look, so I'm going to go with my KVD Good Apple foundation, and this one is light 004. So just using my usual foundation brush, I'm just going to get some on. So when I'm using kind of full coverage foundations like this, I try to not go too close to my under eyes, just because I don't want them to look heavy. I like this foundation because I've got quite I've got combination skin, and I feel like this is quite good for the drier parts of my skin, and a lot of my foundations I think can be a bit more dry and then kind of dewy. Plus this is the most full coverage foundation I have. And then for concealer, I'm just going to go with my Conceal and Define by Revolution. And just put a little under my eyes. I don't have a ton left. Just a little in between my forehead. And just some places I want to highlight. I'm just going to go in with the same foundation brush. And then for powder, I'm going in with my Revolution translucent powder. And I'm just setting where about I put concealer, but nowhere else. So that's my kind of skin done. Before I do like the rest of my base, I'm going to go and do my eyes again, just so that they're done and there's not any fallout on like any blush or anything. So I'm going to do the like under my lash line, so I'm gonna go with the same dark green Mardy and just put that straight under my lash line and then blend that out a wee bit with the middle green Miracle. And then blend it all out again with the lightest green. To do the wee bubbles, I'm going to go with this. So I'm going to go with this wet liner from Glisten Cosmetics. So I'm just going to spray my liner brush with my setting spray. And then just get a load on my brush. Just kind of start. So just kind of start putting circles around my eye. So you can do obviously as many as you want. I'm just going to make sure that it's all kind of as light as it can be. And then using whatever kind of colours you're wanting, I'm gonna go in with this red here, and then going in with like a kind of wee brush. I'm just gonna kind of pat that on. And because the liner's obviously a bit wet, it'll stick quite well. And then for the other one, I'm just gonna go in with a shimmer. So it kind of looks like red and silver baubles. And then going in with the black liner, so I'm just gonna use this Kat Von D one. I'm just gonna make the little tops. So by doing that, I'm just gonna do in a couple of lines. And then to add like a kind of shine to them, I'm gonna go back in with my white liquid liner. I'm just gonna go in and kind of add little highlights. Just like that. And then I'm going to put on some mascara and lashes as well. For my bronzer, I'm going to go with my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. And just keeping that quite high up on my cheekbone. And then going in under my jawline, on my nose. And I'm just putting some on my forehead as well. For my blush, I wanted to go in with a kind of like pinky colour, so I'm going in with my Vieve blush in Cherub. And I'm just doing the same thing, keeping it really high up on my cheekbones. And then just a wee bit on my nose. And then I'm going to go in with my favourite highlighter, which is Glazed Donut, which is the Mickey Tutorial and Ofra collab. So I'm just going to put some here. And just put on like the tip of my cheekbones. And kind of on like the highest point. On my nose. Some on my forehead. My lips and my chin. For my lips, I'm going to go with this pinky red lip liner by MUA Academy. And I'm just going to go in with the red to kind of tie in with the Christmas theme. And then I'm going to go with this red lipstick from Makeup Revolution, and this one is Red Wine. I'm going to use this Revolution setting spray, which is the Fix and Glow. And then I'm going to put on some lashes and I'll be done. And this is the finished look. I think it's really cute. It's like, it's quite fun. It's a nice kind of like fun festive makeup. Like if you were going out for drinks with your pals or something, I think this would be quite funny to do. Or if you were having like a kind of Christmas movie night or something, I do think this would be really nice. And the green and red obviously always goes anyway. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing some more Christmas looks, more looks like this. Some more kind of like night out looks for Christmas, things like that. A Christmas night out like lookbook and stuff, it's all coming up. So if you want to subscribe to see all that, that would mean the world to me. And if you could follow my Instagram and that, you would see everything there. But yeah, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!